Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to enable Bluetooth on Windows 10. Method 1. To enable Bluetooth on Windows 10 using Settings, click on Windows logo button on your keyboard. Select Settings icon. Click on Devices. Make sure Bluetooth and other devices is selected. Turn on the Bluetooth toggle switch. Method 2. To enable Bluetooth on Windows 10 using Action Center, open Action Center button on taskbar right bottom. Alternatively, press Windows key plus a keyboard shortcut for quicker access to Action Center. Click the Expand option from the top left. Click the Bluetooth button. After you complete any of these methods, Bluetooth should be operational and ready to pair new devices. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.